Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to explain a topic called classification in machine learning. It is a type of supervised machine learning. In this, I'm going to explain you with a model deployed on the topic personalized learning path recommendation in education. Okay, first of all, classification is nothing but we are just going to categorize the types of objects present in the dataset um, under a schema or under a column. Okay, in a particular column, like for an example, if we take animals, there are many type of animals like herbivorous, carnivorous, um, etc. Okay, um, it is an basic concept. So let's see with an example. Just I had done my coding, so I'll show that. Before that, I'm going to show my data set. Like it is my data set. It is an college English learning data set. There I have session ID, student ID, start time, end time, session type, like these are the details about the learning, um, the students who learned something in that college. Okay, so I am going to take that how many students completed the task and incompleted the task. So we are going to classify them. Okay, so this is our target variable. So I'll be explaining what is target variable in the code. Okay, so this is my code. So we are importing like packages to make our um, work so simpler. So this is supported by Python because it's very easy language to uh, develop a model, especially for machine learning. Okay. Um, so first I import pandas. Pandas is used to import CSV file here, and NumPy. NumPy is a basic one which we are going to have like numerical what I say numerical functions. Okay. Then for training and test data splitting, we are importing model selection from scikit-learn. From that, we are going to import train and test split data. So for pre-processing, we are importing one-not encoder and standard scalar. And for classification, we are going to use random forest classifier. And for metrics, like to generate the report, we are going to use metrics. In that we are going to have classification report. Okay. So what is random forest classifier? Random forest classifier is an classification method. If we have like more what do I say? In a forest we have more trees. We are going to classify that. Okay. um let's go and see what is random forest classifier here. Okay, if I show with you with an example, then you will be understanding it easily. See here, random forest classifier is this. Here we have tree 1, tree 2, tree 3. So tree n. Okay, there are many types of instances. So from tree 1 we will have class x, then class y, then in tree n there are many types will be there. Okay, so to classify that, we will be taking the features of that classes, then we'll be extracting the conclusion from that. So by voting we'll be concluding the class that which is given as an input, so we'll be getting the output. So in this, first we are going to load the data set. I have just saved it in my same file, so I'm just directly giving that file name. Okay, or else we have to give the path. Okay, then data set. Okay, we have imported the data set. Then we are splitting the target variable and feature data. Okay. So as before I say in this video, task completion is our target variable. Okay, So target variable is that. Then other things are features. Then so we have to save that in an variable to use that more comfortably. So x is the data set, x is the feature, then y is the target variable. Here we have to encode. So in machine learning, we mostly use numerical functions only to process the data which we have to get as the output. Okay, so in that categorical features, we select the data type that include object. Basically, object is in Python. Object defines the strings and the character values. So we give an object. So which column that has only the object datas that will be converted into numerical values. So in using one not encoder, we are going to change, like we are going to convert the strings or characters to numerical values. So then after encoding that, we are going to uh, fit it in the x encoded variable. Okay, then numerical features. This scalar is nothing but making the values in the structured or like standard way. So we are going to scale that process. Then this one, x processed is nothing but we are going to combine both the scaled and encoded variables in a single variable called x underscore processed. Then y encoded equal to y equal to completed. Here y is named as completed. Uh, like if the variable is completed, then it is called 1. Otherwise, any other output is known as 0. Okay, we consider completed as 1 and incompleted as 0 indirectly. Okay, x underscore train, x underscore test. This is the splitting of train and test data for x processed, because we concluded that x processed is our final variable which we are going to split the test and train data. Then y encoded is our final input for test and train data. Okay, here we have splitted 80 percentage of train data and 20 percentage of test data from the input. Then random state 42 is like which is going to split the data in the given ratio. Okay, then classifier, we import random, we imported as before here random classifier. We use that to like classify the output. Okay, then we fit that train and test data, we train the model there. Then we are going to predict by passing x test. Okay, as we splitted over there. Then we are going to generate a report. So for this generation of the report, we are going to uh, pass y test, y predict, target names. So here we'll be having this output. Okay, here the output is incomplete. Basically in classification report we will be getting this uh, four values: precision, recall, F1 score, support. Okay, then accuracy is 100 percentage, macro average is 100 percentage, weight average is 100 percentage. Okay, these are all the classification problem. In this problem, we found like which student is completed and which student is incomplete. Okay, if we pass any other data, it would find that a student is completed the course or not. Okay, thank you very much. See you again in next video.